how to draw a easy and simple poster about the corona prevention step by step for all of the beginners. Let's get started. But I always suggest you to draw with a 2B or HB pencil that you think if you have to erase on some point to draw the easy corona prevention poster that you can easily erase on some point if you use the 2B or HB pencil. I tried to express my thought about the corona prevention, like how our corona fighters, as known as the doctor, are fighting against the bad coronavirus. I just try to express my thought in my drawing. So if you like this drawing, don't forget to press the like button. And if you like this easy tutorial, the corona prevention poster, then don't forget to try this easy at home. And if you face any kind of difficulty to draw this, then obviously don't forget to knock me in the comment section if you have any kind of problem. And also if you have any kind of assessment about my drawing, then also write down on the comment section below. I will be always here for answering you. Our corona prevention drawing is almost complete. Let's color. Draw the corona with blue green, green and yellow green. Don't forget to mash up all of the color as well as you can, cause blending of color will make your drawing so attractive and marvelous. If you are a new beginner in the drawing journey, then don't forget to watch my other easy scenery and poster drawing on my YouTube channel. And if you love this, then don't forget to subscribe my creation world, as known as my channel. I try to show you all of the steps that I have followed to draw the easy poster about the corona prevention drawing. And I hope it will be help you so much to draw a easy poster about the corona prevention drawing, as well as the fighting against the coronavirus. In my YouTube videos, you will find other tutorials about the corona prevention poster, stay home, stay poster, and so on. Just check it out. And I applied Prussian blue, blue green and the green, and that it was the coronavirus drawing. And our corona is almost complete to draw, and let's draw the other. I try to use the red on the coronavirus eye to make it more colorful, and yeah, that it was. Now draw the fighter who is fighting against the bad corona with sky blue as well as pure white color. Don't forget to blend them as well as you can, cause blending your color will make your drawing so beautiful. If you want to learn about more drawing or more corona prevention drawing poster, you can check my channel videos that about corona prevention drawing. It may help you more to learn. And I did a little bit shadow with the coffee blue color. Shadowing also make your drawing super attractive, so don't forget to do some shadowing with color. Then I have colored the background with vermilion, orange, yellow, yellow, and it was for the reason to make the poster super attractive. That's why I used the vermilion you can say the red family. And at first I did a little bit shadow with the red color. It will make your drawing super cute and attractive also. If you are a new learner on my creation world, then don't forget to subscribe my channel that you can easily get all of the notification first that I have published my tutorial. Please don't forget to smash the subscribe button on my creation world. Face a little bit problem to draw the easy peasy lemon squeezy poster about the corona prevention, then don't forget to knock me on the comment section to ask the question that what you feel about or what the problem that you feel about. Without any kind of hesitation, you can ask me on the comment section. I will be always there to answer you. Our background drawing is complete. After that, I did a little bit needle drawing with the red color to make it more precious, the drawing. So yeah, our background is absolutely complete. Then draw the push of injections and the vaccine. Then I also used the pencil color of yellow to make it more precious again. And after that, I just applied a shadow with the red color to make it more beautiful. Please don't forget to try this easy poster at your home. Then to draw the vaccine, I have used the pink, light pink, the red as well as the purple color to draw the vaccine. Then I draw the injection push color with the red pencil. Yay, our coloring is complete. Then just outline with a black outliner the whole object of the poster. And yay, our drawing is complete. If you learn a little bit from my drawing tutorial, then don't forget to press the like button. And if you're new in my creation world, then don't forget to smash the subscribe button. And to watch the previous video, click on the I button. And my time to bounce. See you in the next tutorial. Stay home, stay safe. Ta-da!